You're my best friend, so be honest with me. Does my home stink? Yeah, but don't be embarrassed. Most people can't smell their own homes. It's called nose blindness, the inability to smell odors after prolonged exposure. I thought so. Even though I do everything to keep a clean-smelling house, sprays, plugins, and candles, they obviously aren't working. It is impossible to eliminate odors by masking them. You're just compounding the problem by adding chemical pollutants. You need to eliminate the problem at its source. I clean my home top to bottom every week, sparing no expense, using expensive cleaning supplies. Unfortunately, standard cleaning methods are generally not effective in neutralizing odors because they can't get at the source, which is often microbial and hidden. Then what should I do? Have you tried an ozone generator? How does that help? Ozone is a gas that breaks down molecules at their source, reaching anywhere that air currents travel. So it actually eliminates the smell instead of just covering it up. Exactly. It tackles odors from pets, cooking, smoke, and more. Just set it up in your home and let it work its magic. Where can I get one? I recommend SanusAer.com. They have the best generators and are always willing to answer questions. Buy SanusAer and say goodbye to stubborn odors.